One of the most important steps in upgrading your laptop with 192GB DDR5 RAM is to find compatible modules for your laptop model and specifications. In this section, I will show you how to do that easily and quickly. First, you need to know the exact model name and number of your laptop. You can usually find this information on a sticker at the bottom of your laptop or in the system settings. For example, my laptop is a Dell Inspiron 15 7500 and 6-2-in-1. Next, you need to know the specifications of your current RAM modules. You can use a free software tool like CPU-Z or Speccy to check this information. You need to look for the type, speed, size, and voltage of your RAM modules. For example, my laptop has two 8GB DDR4-3200 modules running at 1.2V. Now that you have this information, you can use online databases or tools to find compatible DDR5 RAM modules for your laptop. One of the best websites for this is Crucial. You can either enter your laptop model name and number or use their system scanner tool to automatically detect your laptop and its specifications. Once you do that, you will see a list of compatible DDR5 RAM modules for your laptop. You can filter them by size, speed, brand, and price. You can also compare them by their features and performance. For example, I found these two 64GB DDR5-4800 modules that are compatible with my laptop. The last step is to choose the DDR5 RAM modules that suit your needs and budget. You need to make sure that they have the same speed, voltage, and timings as your current RAM modules or better. You also need to make sure that your laptop has enough slots to accommodate them. For example, my laptop has 2 slots, so I can replace my two 8GB DDR4 modules with two 64GB DDR5 modules. And that's how you find compatible DDR5 RAM modules for your laptop model and specifications. In the next section, I will show you how to install them safely and easily. In this section, I will show you how to safely open your laptop case and install the new RAM modules in the available slots. This will boost your laptop's performance and allow you to run more applications at once. Before you begin, make sure you have the right type and size of RAM for your laptop. You can check your laptop's documentation or manufacturer's website for the RAM specifications that are compatible with your model. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap or a metal object to ground yourself. Step 1. Shut down your laptop and unplug it from the power source. Remove any peripherals such as mouse, keyboard, or external hard drive. Close the lid and flip the laptop over so that you can see the bottom. Step 2. Locate the screws that hold the back panel or cover of your laptop. They are usually marked with a small icon of a memory chip or a keyboard. Unscrew them carefully and keep them in a safe place. You may need to use a thin tool such as a credit card or a guitar pick to pry open the panel or cover. Step 3. Put on your anti-static wrist strap or touch a metal part of your laptop case to discharge any static electricity. Static can damage your laptop components, so avoid touching them with your bare hands. Step 4. Find the RAM slots on your motherboard. They are usually near the CPU fan or the battery. They look like long and narrow slots with metal clips on both ends. One or more of them may already have a RAM module installed. Step 5. To remove an old RAM module, gently push down on the metal clips until they release the module. Then pull it out of the slot at an angle. Do not force it or bend it. Step 6. To install a new RAM module, align the notch on the edge of the module with a groove on the slot. Slide it into the slot at an angle and then press it down firmly until it snaps into place. You should hear a click when it is locked. Step 7. Repeat steps 5 and 6 for each RAM module you want to replace or add. Make sure they are securely inserted and aligned. Step 8. Replace the back panel or cover of your laptop and screw it back in place. Flip your laptop over and plug it in. Turn it on and check if your new RAM is recognized by your system. You can do this by opening Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+ESC, and clicking on the Performance tab. You should see your total memory and its usage. Congratulations! You have successfully upgraded your laptop with 192GB DDR5 RAM for only $570.